Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. Depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video, I'd just like to welcome y'all onto my channel, man. I hope that everyone is good, Bafethu. I'm also good, man. I'm very good. Yikho nje ukusebenza nokubuya ukhathele. Iwena. But either way, we as complain about it, But yeah, man, I just hope that everyone is good. But either way, there is this video of Shooter. Apparently, if I'm not mistaken, he was recently live. Check out this video and then we'll talk. Yo, hey, wena. Yes, Bafethu, one thing I'd like to say is that I'm a slazo. I'm a slazo wrong. I'm a slazo. Wena. I'm a slazo, Bafethu. One thing I would like to tell you is that embarrassment, if I'm not mistaken, is like a makwapeni. You understand? It's like a makwapeni. When you try to hide it, at first it will cooperate. When you try to hide it, it will also hide. You understand? But one day izophuma umakhwaphela ngithi ngiyambona unjani. Umakhwaphela ngala khwapheka kuthi masikhambe isikhathi akasakhwapheki manje sefuna nokusprayeka. Into avela afuna ukuziveza yona. Niyabona ama-drums. Allegedly, Shooter on that video, what was happening with Ushiba Shit was that Ngati, they were chilling with his friends, playing video games, and then he stood up to go toilet, go out to go and pee. Gandhi, unfortunately, sitting on the couch. As he's sitting on the couch and he gets up, ilentuzana ama-drums at a sharp Rolling Stone at tada. Now, full of very like, Labangani bakho over those people more too busy.
In their community, people saying that they. Hello.
Lama drums, they literally did that. The toxic gas. And yes, guys, we must stop it. Yes, it. Turn stone will be left unturned. Nina, we are the ones who are supposed to be telling these stones, not these stones telling themselves automatically. Jani, niyabona ukuthi khona abantu abazama ukusebenza la ngaphandle. Khona abantu abasihambela umaweni Bafethu. Abagqokisa ingulube ijistri. Yeah. So as you saw, Shooty when he started memezing a rank, yo, lama drums. Now for Krisa, I'm a fans. Oh, I'm a rank. He tried to hide them, but that's Monil. And who remembers this this clip? If I'm not mistaken, this was a clip that was taken from the interview that he had with Abomekchi, a podcast and chill, where he spoke about ama-drums, and listen to what he had to say back then.
Fourth day abengwe umfrasta nafta momfala bamucha rehab baba berutsu drugs bra berutsu heavy
cocaine
style cat
okay
mara zolo no maila zolo ke tsubile ke salomo zolo ke tsubile ke grade 4
sure
ka sthoke sa itsuba
dipache
dipache mona dipache ja felo di abetha ka tswata wa.
So difference ya dipache le crystal king
bra dipache wa bana go botsento dipache bra fan me na bra ka motho mo energy kwa bana dipache bra go tsubile o ngwa ma tlhwale ke o ba so o ngwisha o fetso thoma bona ka re lefase le flat o ba lefase le round Oba ra dula so 1 hour ka moka ere. Ra re dutse re ntse re khomotse ka thoma gara. Wang understand. Wa go le tshelo ra kwa le tsona tse. O mo shapara ka understand nang or very. Ela mara braga one. Na bona Crystal braga ere be ke tsuba braga ere. Crystal braga ke tsubile wa tseba le nako. Re khono betha wa tsara Brafan menga o botsa re khono betha ku shetse 10 ka one day.
Because of Crystal.
E so re ga re sharp. Awe into le fine jwa ba. Lo etang basadi. Apa o tsere nga tswa Crystal ka ja mosadi ao. O tobetse. Go less. Mara sentwe sharp.
Ni cocaine o le wa isam.
Awa.
Oh, wa ditshaba di cocaine.
Is bra, apa tse drugs. Le bosa ke di tlogetse bra.
So tell me, if drums, if this guy wins a Crystal, because allegedly it was said, people who know about the EU Crystal or something like that, excuse me, that him, what he said on that good podcast and chill was that if Eshaye Crystal, at the corner, he was able to, if he smoked the Crystal, he was able to record about 10 songs a day. You understand? Now, as an artist, one of the things that is advantageous for an artist is to have creative juices to be flowing and stuff like that. You understand? Now, and to record 5 million songs that are also going to be dope. Now, if there is something that is helping those creative juices of yours to start flowing, what makes you think you as an individual, will make that artist to stop using that thing that is releasing all these creative juices? What makes you think that this artist is going to stop using whatever substance they are using or whatever thing that they are using that is making the creative juices to start flowing from left, right, and center and all over the place like MTN? What makes you think that they will stop using that thing? Because that thing is going to be beneficial to them when it comes to their artistry. But in terms of their health, that's a totally different story. That's a totally different story. So honestly speaking, from that clip, where the one that you just saw now, to this recent clip, if I'm not mistaken, it's a recent live clip, I'm just not shocked. I am not. Because it's like, if you're gonna into X7ZI, why are you going to discard or get rid of that thing that is working for you, that is helping you, that is getting you by? My point exactly. So some people might just act shocked or whatever but nje ulentuzana he did nje mention eqaleni, and it is what it is, bafethu. And I know this is going to take, because he did mention ukuthi yena, if you talk about him, he'll take a screenshot of your face, post it and have it as a profile picture, so that whenever you ever meet up, you clap, yo nina safa induku. Yazi umuntu fanele uzabamelo guys, so that ezokwazi ukukhokha igolodo. Tell me what you think about this video, and then we'll talk. Enjoy the rest of your day.